Bay Sox in his career. Right-hander's first pitch to Creed Willems is a changeup on the inside corner. The 0-1. Creed swings and misses at the changeup, and it's 2/3 innings. Right-hander's two-strike pitch. Willems bounces it on the ground to second. Jeb charges, throws on the run, and Willems is retired. Just one hit, no runs. He hit one batter, and he struck out 5 as Jackson grounds the first pitch to deep third. It's backhanded by Brannigan, and a strong arm throw. The first is in time to TT on the way. TT hits one softly on the ground to first, picked up by Dixon. Underhand toss to Chen, the pitcher, covering the bag, and against Po-Yu Chen. First pitch from the righty is a big curveball taken low for ball 1. Here's the 1-0, and it's a cutter. He winds and throws. Fastball is outside. 3-0. Fastball taken all the way right down the middle for a strike. 3-1 in the dirt. That was a slider. Then first pitch, and he looks at a fastball at the plate, and he swings and misses, ending on the IL for the rest of the season. This is popped up on the infield on the left side for the shortstop Pichardo, who makes a two-handed catch. And there's 1-0. Here's Ben Cosme. First pitch is a curveball. 1-0 is fouled away down the left field. One with one out, the pitch. And Cosme pops it up. Shallow left field towards the foul line. Bowen ranges and makes the catch for the second out. Servideo, Arduas at first, and the first pitch is a 0-1. Swing and a miss. Fastball at 93, foul tipped into the glove of Ross. 5.34 ERA against him. 0-2 fastball is inside for the curve last year. 1-2 is a changeup, foul tipped into the glove of Sean Ross for strike 3. Leadoff walk straight.
Side of the mound, kicks the leg back, now deals. And Retzbach taps the first pitch off the pitcher's glove. It's behind second where it's fielded by Jeb. Second baseman crosses over to the left side of the game's only run. Right on right, Chen against Haskin. And the first pitch is middle, a called strike on a... In the lineup for the second consecutive game for Chesapeake as the 0-1 darts outside your list, but hadn't featured prior to yesterday since last Tuesday. And here he deposits a line drive single into center field on one hop in front of Ciani. That'll play for the line on the edge of the infield grass at third. Rest of the infield pinched, and Willems swings and misses at a first pitch changeup way out. Mostly closed off stance, 0-1 pitch, and he swings and misses again. That time the changeup drifted. 0-2 toss, and Willems fights it foul on a high fence. 0-2 pitch. And Willems swings and lifts it down the line and right. Gonzalez breaking over, makes the catch just shy of the track on a dead sprint towards the wall. His throw goes into second as mostly open stance, and the first pitch to him is a slider that bends over off of first, 0-1. And Jackson swings and misses. That time it was sets, 0-2 toss. Jackson tomahawks it foul off of his broadcasting the game in here, 0-2. And Jackson lifts it down the line and right, but it's going to slice foul. The 0-2 pitch to Jackson is fought off foul again off the underside.
Autograph.
He'll sign. Here's a pickoff throw to first, and Haskin was caught leaning. He's in a rundown. The toss goes to second to the shortstop, and the tag is applied, and Haskin is out. He is picked off to end. Hudson Haskin was picked off. Takes the first pitch to Po-Yu Chen and pops it up. Foul ground, third base side. Brannigan rushes over onto the tarp. Stadium with vacated seats, so I guess he had that going for him. 0-1 pitch is upon us. The 0-2. Jackson, check swing, pitch down. He's able to take the and rocks back, lifts left leg high and deals. And the 1-2 pitch skips in. It's a called strike 3. Ross dropped the baseball. That's why it looked like it had skipped, so he's just right on right the first pitch. Bowens takes up and in towards his hands on a fast out of the independent leagues. 1-0. And Bowens takes down 2 balls and no strikes. The 2-0 from Chen. And Bowens takes outside edge, calling a strike. It's around here. 2-1 toss. And Bowens tops it over to third. Weakly hit. Brannigan charges onto the infield grass. Quick transfer and throw across. And it's in time. Switch it. Here is Ardua, who walked his first time up. And first pitch curveball is in the zone for a called strike. Throughout the seating bowl, they're trying to urge on these Bay Sox bats. The 0-1 pitch is down and away. 1 ball and 1 strike. Chen's 1-1. And Ardua swings and misses at a fastball up and in. Bags clean, 1-2 pitch. Ardua ropes a line drive into left. It'll touch down for a base hit. So Silas, who has continued a very effective week at the plate. They got a little more juice in them than those glow sticks do. Here is Tavian Josenberger. It's downstairs for a ball, 1-0. Left side against the righty Chen. Third base is extremely far in on the grass. He hasn't shown the 2-0. And Josenberger takes down and in. 3 balls and no strikes towards the kids' park. 3-0. Josenberger taking all the way. Pitch is calling a strike on the outside edge. The 3-1 pitch. Josenberger fouls it off. The 3-2. He swings and pops it up. Towering shot to left center. Siani lost it initially. Now comes sprinting in, and the center fielder makes a catch in shallow left center.
Chen's first pitch to Bencosme is a changeup. 4 scoreless thus far. 1-0. Fastball is on the outside corner for much of this game. The 1-1. Bencosme takes a fastball down the middle for the 1-2. Bencosme takes a changeup in the dirt. The 2-2 from Po Yu Chen is fouled away down the left field line. The 2-2. Fastball is high. 3-2 pitch is outside, ball 4. That was a pretty easy take for Bencosme on a fastball. As Zervidio swings and misses at the fastball, 0-1. Strike on Zervidio. He takes a strike on the out. 0-2. Zervidio flares one in the left center field. It's going to stay up in the air for Bowen. The left fielder puts it away. And there's one away for Adam Retzbach. First pitch to Retzbach is grounded softly foul down the third base line for strike 1. Here's the 0-1. Retzbach fouls it away down the right field line. 0-2 on the 0-2. Adam takes inside, a snapback throw to first, and Bencosme is back in standing. 1-2. Swing and a miss. Fastball blown by Retzbach for strike 3. First pitch to Haskin is fouled away back behind the plate for strike 1. Are you trying to catch it? So we won't be back here for 2 weeks. As Bencosme is back now. 0-1. And a hard ground ball into left field. A base hit for Haskin. Past the shortstop. First pitch to Willems is fouled away back behind the plate. 1 pitch. Breaking ball grounded foul into the chest. The pitch. Creed with a check swing foul over the roof of the 2 outs. The pitch is lined up the middle, into center, a base hit. Here comes Bencosme. The throw from Siani is cut off, and this game is tied. Creedson. First pitch inside with the changeup, ball 1. The 1-0 on Jackson. Jeremiah swings and misses at the fastball, middle away as we speak. The 1-1 is fouled away off to the right. The game. 1-2. Swing and a miss. Chen delivers a curveball and Jackson chases for strike 3. Bay Sox tie it on the RBI single by